Hey everybody, John Steyer, the Floorinator. Welcome back. And it is Pattern Carpet Friday. Let me turn you around here and you can check out the project I'm working on today. So we have this sunroom, 16 by 16 roughly, that we're gonna put some pattern carpet in. But this is one of the cool ones, right? Look at this walnut on the walls here. This is just a really cool room. A lot of cool designs going on. But we're getting ready. I'm gonna bring in some tack strips, some cushion, get this all prepped, ready to go. We've got a beautiful piece of carpet we're gonna be bringing in here. DreamWeaver Select Lineage. I think the color is dry spun. I'm gonna do a better job of paying attention to what stuff is when I bring it in so I can share that with you guys. But here we go. All right, cushion is installed. And you might just think, oh, it's just cushion. No, it's Steyer flooring here. I really do like using kind of a premium cushion all the time. So this is a Carpenter is the brand, and Ultra Shield is the style. It's got a moisture barrier. Believe it or not, it does allow breathing from underneath, but your liquids and stuff don't get all the way through. But it's nice. It's got a nice, dense, comfortable feel. You're putting in premium carpet. You just will put in a premium cushion. You don't want, what I always tell my clients is you don't want to feel like you're walking on beach sand in your living room. You actually want like a nice pair of tennis shoes with that good support. It's also good for the carpet. You think of this as the shock absorber for the carpet. Just like on your car, you want a good set of shocks so things aren't rattling around. Well, we want that on our carpet too. We don't want after we power stretch our carpet in, we want nice support. Perfect. All right, now for the fun part. So I'm gonna get the seam put together. I've actually got two pieces of carpet in there. I seamed my cross seam together. That's what's really nice about this DreamWeaver Select. It really does run a row across the carpet pretty good. So all the tape was for is just for reference to help me, so I don't have to look so hard for these lines. But you can see. I don't know if that shows up, but that's kind of what I do. And then just put together as you need to. And I kind of just look at the material, looks like that piece needs to go a little bit that way, but there's a little bit of a bubble here. So it looks like we're going to be right on. So here comes the fun stuff. Let's get the seam put together. All right, to all my installer friends out there, we've all been there. Boom. Building walls. Check that out. Even got a piece of carpet folded up just to kick that off just a little bit. We're getting the power stretcher on. All right, team, we are done. Vacuumed. We're out of here. Man, this room's, the camera don't do it justice. This is a really pretty room. This is some of the just pretty wood. But let me zoom in here and see if I can show you why pattern matching is so important. Let's get over here out of the sun a little bit. All right, I'm going to point out this line to that line to that line to that line to that line. All right, I'm going to zoom back. But that's why it's important. You don't see that, unfortunately, until your carpet's all seamed together. But we're done, so we're out of here. Easy peasy Friday. I love it. A little after 2 o'clock. I'm gonna go back, clean the van out, start the weekend. All right, everybody. Thanks again for watching. Catch you on the next one.